Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to review another website, that is play2cute.com. So if you're curious to know about an unbiased review regarding this website, watch the video till the end, because by the end you will be able to know either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. It is a web store dealing with an exclusive collection of bras that fits with different outfits and offers you comfort. Whether you want to purchase a push frontless bracket or an invisible lift up bra, you can visit the store for it. Like the women who go to gym or indulge in some activities can easily find their wireless and sportive sport bras from this website, as the company also shared gardening tools, toys and gifts for its customers. So before going for online shopping, you must know whether the store is legit or a scam. For this we will going to check out certain details, as it was created on 17th August 2020 and it will expire on 17th August 2021. Like its expiry date is very near. You can cancel the order before it has been proceed. The refund time is between 7 to 10 days. As far as its social media presence is concerned, no social media account could be found. The payment method which they are accepting are PayPal, debit and credit card and bank accounts, and the shipping time is about 2 to 3 days. The positive point of Play to Cute are customer can track their order and one can explore the exclusive design of bras from the web store. As far as negative points of Play to Cute are concerned, they are: the company has shared incomplete contact information, the trust score of the store is very low, social media icons are absent on the official web page, no details of the business establishment are shared, Alexa rank of the store is very low. So as we are interested to know either this Play to Cute bra is legit or a scam store, so let's check out, as you are very curious about this. So we are going to check out certain more categories to decide either this is a legit or a scam. As we are discussing, it was just 1 year old website, but it will expire soon, and the site is not popular as regular visitors are less, and Alexa has given 0 rank, and the trust score shared by scam advisor is just 1% only, which is very bad score. And it is like surprisingly for us that 11 months have been passed and no customer has shared any comment about the portal's products. Rather, people are choosing other web store to shop the items. So we can say that as after discussing such interesting parameters about this website, we can say that it is showing red flag that makes it an unsafe website for shopping. So we do not recommend our viewers to shop any item from it. And if you have any personal experience of shopping from this store, please do write in the comment box, and we love to hear from you about your shopping experience.